Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video.
I've been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bad. That bad been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a semi. Nigga making all they moves. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major because I got all the trumpets.
Cari crew recording 2 videos in one day, man. Check out this ZL1. That bit hard, bro. That bit hard. You know what I'm saying? I want him to show me something. It's a drop top though, but hey, 10-speed ZL1, man. I wish he'd ride with me. He got that lady with him. You know what I'm saying? Maybe he may show us a little something, bro. I don't know what we're gonna see. We're gonna see, Cari crew. Make sure I hit that like, but I don't know if the video gonna get posted. Cause I just got done recording, and then now I see the opportunity to record another one. You know what I'm saying? So y'all just, I don't know, man. We're gonna see, man. We're gonna see. Gotta give me a little thumbnail. You see what's going on though. ZL1 thing, man. I like this color though. That color crazy. It look like the cinnamon. It like the cinnamon joint from Dodge. You know what I'm saying? You don't see too many colors of that either, Cari crew. But yeah, man, Cari crew, what it do, man? You know what I'm saying? Vlogmas. Once again, as always, you know what I'm saying? It's December, so y'all already know what's up with it. You know what I'm saying? I gotta make up for missing a day, bro. So I'm getting y'all this content. You know what I'm saying? But y'all can see we starting the video with a ZL1. Hopefully we keep riding down, man. He give me a few pulls. He give me a little something. Give me a little show, man. You know, that's all. I just want a little show. I'm gonna try to turn him up. You know what I'm saying? You know, Olivia talking. He probably ain't talking like Olivia. You know what I'm saying? I hit the gas for him a little bit when we were coming up to the light. Give me some, yes sir. I saw you 12. I hope I can get brother. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see we got a ZL1 10-speed, man. That's that new one, you know what I'm saying? With the lights. That's that new one. Man, that's probably like a 21. No telling. We got that soft top. I know that knocked out about 4 band. That knocked out probably like 4 band. But turn me up, man. I gotta get the thumbnail, Cari crew. You already know that. He ain't gonna do nothing, man. He got a lady with him, but hey, man, I got my thumbnail though. That bit hard though. Y'all let me know what I think about that ZL1. That ZL1 is smooth, what? Only thing I don't like though that soft top, but that ZL1 smooth though. That color crazy. That color crazy. I ain't gonna lie. It look good. That's my first time seeing the ZL1 that color. I ain't know they even came like that. I wonder where he going. Cause I don't even. Dang, bro. See what I'm saying? Like Cari crew, I just need car buddies. You know what I'm saying? I got some in the A, like the one that know what I'm trying to do. Like, them boys in the A, man, I don't stay in the A, bro. That's too, you know what I'm saying? But like, man. I know he like them downshifts. I know he like, goodness, Dodge make him like that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir, indeed. Yes, sir, indeed. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah, Cari crew, man, another little quick, you know what I'm saying, POV, man. I'm getting the content out for y'all, man. Literally, bro, driving with the heat on. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get Buddy in the ZL1 to cut up one time, man. Just give me a pull, you know. Just give me a little exhaust, something to turn up on the video, you know what I'm saying? That's all. But he behind me, so he finna hear some of that action, you know. Look at that. That's a bait Mustang. I ain't never seen it. Never seen it. I wonder if I make them roll their window up. Let's see. I know she mad if I ain't even hit that video hard. I know she mad though. She left her window down. Why they got the window down anyway? They cold. I didn't realize that. Well, yeah, man. He going another way. I ain't finna bother, bro. He probably going to the crib, taking a long way home, man. You know what I'm saying? What did it? My Lord. With that window down, it do make a difference though. I just hit 4,900 miles, Cari crew. I mean 49,000, my dumb ass. I did 49,000 miles. Whoa, Olivia getting old, man, but strong. Don't worry. The thing, depending on how the stuff go, bro, Olivia will be getting modded. I mean modded, nigga like. Niggas gonna think I race modded, you know what I'm saying? And I don't. But I will get on your ass with the camera on, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Camera off, I ain't talking about nothing. But I'm making that content. But what you wanna do, boy? What? You know what I'm saying? Hit that 1, 2, 3. We gone. We out of there. It gonna be and it gonna get straight. Yeah, we out of there. Get out of there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm really planning on thinking about modding Olivia for real, like modding, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Big boy mod. She done hit that mark, man. She getting there, you know what I'm saying? She was too new at first to just start going crazy, dumping into the motor, you know what I'm saying? So, but she getting there now, man. She right at that nice good mark right there, that good, you know what I'm saying? Mwah, you know what I'm saying? Good and fresh. But yeah, man. Y'all saw the ZL1, man. I wanted to get a little whatever with it, man. I took the opportunity to record. If I wouldn't have recorded me, I probably would have cut it up and I would have been mad that I missed it. You know what I'm saying? And now I done got the end, you know what I'm saying? So yeah. Gotta take chances of all opportunities. Y'all see a quick cut up? Alright. Get out of there. Yeah. Nigga truck like it's sideways when you drive. Yeah, get out of there. Something slight, man, but that car crew, man, like I was saying, I'm just getting y'all these videos, man. Olivia gonna get some mods done, you know what I'm saying? In the near future. Not right now, you know what I'm saying? Obviously next year, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get some stuff. You know what I'm saying? Get some stuff in order, man. Get my ducks in a row how I want them. And then, you know what I'm saying? We on and popping, you feel me? We on and popping. Like, it ain't no stopping. It is Christmas season, so where's my stocking? Ugly, you know what I'm saying? But hey. But yeah, man, we just out here cooling, thugging. You know what I'm saying? Me and Olivia out here thugging. Let me give y'all a little, so we got room. Let me give y'all a little 40 roll, man. Slow down. Slow down. Good girl, yeah. There you go. Look at this idiot. Look at this idiot. Look at you. What you doing? He trying to jump out of traffic. Oh, he jumped out in front of the truck. The truck had to hit the brake. Then he got one headlight on. Buddy, it always be the phone that missing something. That they, you know what I'm saying? They supposed to have. I don't understand that. Yeah, Cari crew, man, I had to hit y'all. I had to knock out 2 videos, man. I had to hit y'all right quick. These back-to-back videos. The last video you saw is the same day I did the video in the same hour, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I see 12, 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 I see 12.
I found this on the web.
Ooh, I see 12, I see 12, I see 12. Ooh, stay by the truck. Look how smooth we is, Cari crew. Look how smooth we is, Cari crew. Talk to me, Cari crew. Who doing it like me? Who do it? Come on, man. 12 right there. I don't even know the radar didn't even go on, you feel me? Thank you, Lord, for that truck. That truck was on time, right beside them all the way through. Traffic behind us. We gone. We gone. I wasn't doing nothing wrong, but just making noise. They don't, you know how the police is with us, man. They don't even like us to sound good, you feel me? But, yeah, man, I'm finna go ahead and wrap the video, man. I'm finna take my ass to the crib so I can drop these videos, you feel me? But, hey, Cari crew, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, like I always say. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. And, like I also say, man, to go to this ZL1. That's crazy. A white one. Like I also say at the end of my video, man, you gotta go, you trying to achieve any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit and you can touch it. You know what I'm saying? For all my religious folks, keep God first, keep him in the music like I always say, man. Pray to him, talk to him every day, man. Build a relationship and bond with him, man. You know what I'm saying? And just elevate yourself, you know what I'm saying, spiritually, in the right direction. But also, man, like I said at the end of my video, Cari crew, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.